Dear boys, welcome to my online class. How are you? I think all are fine. The number of COVID 19 patients has been increasing day by day. So don't go outside from your home. Stay at home and stay safe. I am Pradipta Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Biology, Bush Healthcare College. Now I am here to take your class virtually. So let's start our today's class. My today's topic is digestive system of human body, which is included of chapter 5. And the name of the chapter is food, nutrition and digestion. At the end of this class, you will be able to explain the mechanical and chemical process of digestion, explain the structure of a tooth, explain the organs of alimentary canal, and draw a level diagram of alimentary canal. Now, digestive system. Actually, human body consists of some several systems. Digestive system is one of them. Now, I will discuss about digestive system. At first, you have to know what is digestive system. The system which is responsible for digestion of food is known as digestive system. Now, what is digestion? Digestion is a physiological process. By this process, the complex food substance is converted into simple and absorbable by cell is called digestion. Dear students, complex food substance means which are not directly absorbed by cell. We always eat carbohydrate, protein, fat types of food, but these are remain in complex condition. These food stuffs converted into simple form by enzymes. I mean, these are converted into glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, and glycerol. Then our body can absorb it. So these food substances are absorbable by two ways, such as mechanical process and is chemical process. Mechanical process. By this process, the complex food substance are break down by teeth. It is occurred in buccal cavity. At first, while taking food, we chew and swallow it. Teeth of upper and lower jaw plays an important role in chewing of food. This is called mechanical process. And another process is called chemical process. It is done by different types of enzymes. It is the second step of digestion. Now, the parts of digestive system. Digestive system divided into two parts: alimentary canal or digestive tract, and another is digestive gland. Now, what is alimentary canal? The canal, which is extended from the mouth opening up to the cloacal aperture, is called alimentary canal. Cloacal aperture is also called anus. Now, the organs of alimentary canal: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine. Intestine two parts: small intestine and large intestine. Small intestine consists of three parts: duodenum, rectum, jejunum, and ileum. Small intestine consists of three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. This is called duodenum, and the middle part is called jejunum, and last part is called ileum. And large intestine consists of three parts: cecum, colon, and rectum. Colon again three parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. This is called cecum, and this is ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. And here is rectum, and last part is called anus. Mouth. It is the starting point of the alimentary canal. It is bounded by two layers, buccal cavity. It is also called oral cavity. It contains teeth, salivary glands, and tongue. Here you can see a image of human teeth. Actually, there are four types of teeth found in our buccal cavity. These are incisor, canine, premolars, and molars. Which is incisor indicate is I, canine is C, premolar is P, and molar is M. Uh, Teeth is the hardest part of our body. An adult man have 32 numbers of teeth, 16 in each jaw, 16 in each jaw, and two jaw. So total number is 32. Here I mean Here, I2C1P2M3 by I2C1P2M3 is the dental formula. I2 means incisor and its number is 2. C1 means canine, its number is 1. P means premolar, its number is 2. M means molar, its number is 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 8. It is the half portion of upper jaw. So full jaw is the upper jaw full teeth is 8 into 2 equal to 16, and lower jaw of teeth number is 16. So its number is 32. It is dental formula of human teeth. So the definition is the total number of teeth expressed through the symbol is called dental formula. Incisor, canine is the surface teeth. Incisor helps the helps in cutting of food, cutting and biting of food, and canine helps in tears of food. Premolar and molars helps in grasping and grinding of food. Structure of a tooth. A typical teeth consists of 3 parts: crown, root, and neck. Crown, the visible part above the gum, is called crown. It is made by white and shining component is called enamel. Root, the interior part of tooth which is not visible and inside the gum, is called root. Neck, between the crown and root part of teeth, is called neck. Each tooth is again composed of some following components. Number 1, enamel. The whitest part of teeth, which is hardest part of teeth, is called enamel. Then dentin. The layer below the enamel is called dentin. Pulp. The cavity or soft portion inside the dentin is called pulp. It contains of blood vessels and nerves. Cement. Dentin is covered with a thin covering is called cement. Tooth remains attached with the gums by cement. Enamel and dentin both are composed of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, and fluoride. Now, dear boys, enjoy a video clip.
Our topic for today is structure of a tooth. Our teeth help us to grind, chew, bite, etc.
Hurry up! Everybody is waiting for you.
Oh.
Coming.
I am Mr. Tooth, I have come from Dental Town. The visible part above the gum is called the crown. While I was showering, I realized my crown has a whitish covering. It's called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body.
You have come here to give a lecture.
Let us study structure of a tooth. This is dentin.
The layer below the enamel is called the dentin. It forms the bulk of the tooth. It is not as hard as the enamel.
This is pulp.
The soft portion inside the dentin is called the pulp. It consists of blood vessels and nerves. The entire part of the tooth which is not visible and is inside the gum is called the root.
This is the structure of a tooth.
Wow. Great job.
Autograph, please.
Okay, dear boys, you can enjoy the video clips and also get the idea of structure of tooth from this video clips. Now, pharynx. The next part of the buccal cavity is called pharynx. It is generally considered a part of the throat. Its length is 10 centimeters. The esophagus and trachea are separated from here. Esophagus. It is a long tube that connects to the throat and the stomach. Its length is 25 centimeters. If the mouth is the gateway to the body, then the esophagus is a highway for food. Stomach. J-shaped back-like structure. Its wall is thick and contains of different types of cells such as goblet cell, oxyntic cell, tube cells. Goblet cells secrete mucus. Mucus is a slippery substance. Oxyntic cells secrete HCl. This HCl destroys the germs which coming with food. Chip cells secrete pepsin, which helps the digestion of protein. Small intestine. The coil, long duct which extends from the stomach up to the large intestine is called small intestine. Small intestine start from here and end to this point. Small intestine again consists of three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The upper part of small intestine, which is attached with stomach and U-shape, that is called duodenum, and the middle part, which is coil shape, that is called jejunum, and the last part of small intestine, which is attached with large intestine or cecum, that is called ileum. Bile and pancreatic duct is open here. The inner wall of intestine bears finger-like projection called villi. Villi absorb the most of the food molecules produced by digestion. Now, large intestine. It is white part of the alimentary canal. It is consists of cecum, colon, and rectum. Cecum. Here, this area is called cecum. It is sac-like structure which is situated at the junction of small and large intestine. There is a small finger-like projection. Small finger-like projection. This is called appendix. This is called appendix. Colon. This portion is called colon. Colon is again divided into three parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Ascending colon travels up the right side of the abdomen, That this portion is called ascending colon. Then runs across the abdomen. This is called transverse colon, and travels down the left side of the abdomen. Down. This is called descending colon. Now, rectum. It is the last part of large intestine. It is connected to the anus. Feces are stored here temporarily. The red color portion is called rectum, and the last part of this called anus. Anus, the waste materials or feces are expelled out by the spore. The anus starts at the bottom of the rectum. Okay, dear boys, you have seen a figure of digestive system. Here is mouth, then when the mouth is open, you have see a cavity. This is called buccal cavity. The next part of buccal cavity, which is tube shaped, its length is 10 centimeter. It is called pharynx. Pharynx is the common duct of digestive and respiratory system. From here, trachea and esophagus are separated here. Separate. Then the next part is called esophagus, which is start from pharynx and attached to stomach. Its length is 25 centimeter. Then stomach is a bag-like structure, and here is a one sphincter that is called cardiac sphincter, because this portion is situated near heart, so it is called cardiac region. And there another valve or sphincter present in lower part of stomach. This is called pyloric sphincter, and a coil-shaped structure present that is called small intestine. The small intestine again three parts. The upper part, which is U-shaped, that is called duodenum. The middle part, which is coil-shaped, that is called jejunum, and the last part, which is attached with cecum, that is called ileum. And ileum is attached with large intestine. That means cecum. Large intestine consists of three parts: cecum, colon, and rectum. And one small finger-like projection attached with cecum, that is called appendix. And colon is again three parts. Upper side is called ascending colon, then transverse colon, and downwards is called descending colon. And rectum, where waste materials are stored temporarily. And the pore of rectum is called, the last portion of alimentary canal, the pore is called anus. From here the waste materials are expelled out from our body. It is the complete digestive system. Now, dear boys, have you any query? If you any query, then ask me or send me an SMS. I will give you your solution. Okay, your homework. Multiple choice question. I have prepared some multiple choice questions. You have to find out their answer and submit it tomorrow. First question: which is the part of large intestine? Duodenum, jejunum, cecum, ileum. Number 2: which is the hardest part of teeth? Enamel, dentin, gum, pulp. Number 3: what is the function of incisor teeth? Cutting food into pieces, tearing of food, chewing of food, grinding of food. Number 4: inside the pulp remains vein, nerve, lymph. Which one is correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Number 5: the part of teeth are crown, root, neck. Which one is correct? A, B, C, and D. Number 6: what does villi locate in digestive system? Stomach, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine. Number 7: where is chyme formed? Stomach, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, dear boys, no more today. Next day I will discuss digestive gland. Don't go outside from your home. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Thank you all.